We're back down here. It's been a couple of days. My gosh, it's cold. It's 15 degrees.
Do you want me to hold him or just let him?
No, he's fine.
Just let him wander.
Just let it wander.
Yeah.
He has enough self-preservation that I don't think he's going to throw
No, he's
himself
not.
off the side.
I'm here,
There we are.
all of me.
We've got to do day 7 and then we're going to do day 8 as well. So you'll just have to pretend that we've changed clothes and it's another day when we get to that.
Backwards.
We'll still have the same clothes on unless everyone wants to have a change in the interim.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy
Merry
Vlogmas!
Vlogmas!
Happy.
Happy.
Now I'm confused. So it's day 7.
Something.
Yeah, yesterday was a day. Mum was very busy all day, so we weren't ever going to get to do calendars yesterday anyway. Oh, it stinks, Kai.
Does it really?
It really does.
Does
Mum's
it?
got a cold. She's not giving it to either Dad or I.
Yeah.
Touch wood.
We've had it for a while.
Oh. Ooh. Nice.
Yeah, he's been lacking in treats for a couple of days, poor creature.
Oh, it's a nice boy. Yay!
Good boy. Was that delicious?
Do you want another one up there? Come in.
Show the Peeps.
Show the peeps.
We're thinking he looks very much like a Highland cow at the moment. He's getting groomed on Monday.
Yeah, he's
We've
a
got
bit,
to remember to tell her to not to cut his tail.
Yeah, he's a bit of a scruffed up at the moment.
Yeah. My turn.
But a beautiful scruffed up.
I didn't get a chocolate yesterday. It was very sad. There it is. Could hold that for me. Thank you.
Got me nose.
That's no good. No, I can't bite my way into a cardboard box. Struggling. Oh, Black Forest Gatto.
Oh, that's your favourite.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Sean's happy guy.
Yes. Right. Now we've got to do Dad's. So what are we doing today, Father?
Right.
Yeah, we were missing... No, that was the icing one.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm currently editing the...
I'm trying to be continuity. Yes.
And I'm editing the one that we were missing, the translation of cards. So it's twice I've said it now, but I have a new computer. It's so exciting.
Right. Well, finally, Klaus is back in the cockpit
Good grief.
Oh.
and has a control lever in his hand.
Oh dear.
Oh dear.
Sounds dangerous.
Yeah. However, he doesn't seem as energetic
Oh.
as he might be. In fact, he seems a bit sleepy.
Oh no, is he not
Too
eating
much
enough?
candy. Yeah. Well, did the people actually tell you where to go? You're asking me? Seriously? I thought you had sorted that out.
You?
Yeah.
Oh. Mm.
This is Klaus complaining at me. You can't believe it. You're just floating around lost in space again. Do you know that my wise aunt, Galactica, from the distant star Andromeda, these are all familiar names, aren't they?
are, yes.
Yeah. Always does in such situations. What does she do?
What
I
does
don't
she do?
Well, thank you.
Audience participation, sorry.
She reads tarot cards.
Oh!
Ooh.
Is this...
Oh.
Are these good reactions?
Tarot cards provide guidance when you don't know what to do. Oh, Lord. With these words, he points to a warm package on one of the shelves.
Ooh.
You grab the package and open it. The cards look strange, Klaus. They will do. That's Galactica's personal deck. I always have it with me when I travel, just to be on the safe side. By the way, there should be instructions included. That's what we're going to be looking for.
So it's on a shelf?
Still sceptical, you pull a crumpled leaflet out of the box and study it. Now get going, Klaus tells you. In the meantime, I'm going to have a little restorative nap in the hammock.
Why am I not shocked?
He says, I have faith in you. Give it a go.
Right.
But remember, you have to believe in it.
Okay.
Otherwise it won't work. Right. Open door 7, find 9 riddle cards.
There we go. Right.
Hello, darling.
9 riddle cards.
Yeah.
Yay! There are some. And the keys from day 1, so we can just push those back into.
Hello.
There we go. Oh, and what have we got in here? Oh, there's a note on the floor as well.
Oh, these
I
look
will
good,
take a floor,
actually.
I'll take a picture of that.
Right, you're going to have to remove the dog.
Right. Hi. Go. Oh, he's a good boy.
Look
Yes.
at this.
We'll go and sit over here.
Well, there's a note. Is there anything on the back of this page? You're
Must
behind.
be. Do you see the Roman numerals? Take the cards with the numbers 3, 5 and 7. Now put the 6 on the 3, then the 4 on the 11. Now take a deep breath.
Oh, we're stuffed.
Now place the 3 stacks face up on top of each other.
So we're going to do 3 cuts.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep, so that's 2. Mum's doing all the breathing for all of us. Kai thinks she's insane.
He's probably
Okay, feel the energy. Once you're done, deal the cards into 3 stacks of 3. This time face down. 1, 2, 6.
Yeah.
Do we think that's right?
I don't know.
No, it's not. Oh no, we've done it right. We've got to these bits on the back are different.
Are they?
They are. We've done that bit right.
Whoa! That's brilliant. How did that happen?
I have no idea. Oh, okay. So we've got to count the little dark spots on the back of the card.
You are kidding me,
No.
aren't you?
I'm impressed with the card
You need
trick.
a microscope
You
to
do.
see that. But I'm impressed
Hang on,
at
let
how
me
the
show
right
you.
3 cards turned up.
Let me show you.
Yeah, I mean, that's clever.
It's these teeny tiny little
Yeah.
different coloured spots. No, we're not doing it all in one go. We're going to pretend that we're done for the day.
Shall I open the door and come in again?
If you wouldn't mind. To be fair, we need to say goodbye for now. So I actually didn't film anything except the excitingness of the arrival of all of the products. So
Yeah.
we did that all on the iPhone. So I'm going to put that footage in now. So this is what we are starting with. Mum's side is very organised, and yes, that's my old chair. Dad's side is creative chaos. And we are not surprised. And that's my very old iMac, which is a 2012 and won't even support Final Cut Pro, but it does do the internet. But this one's being retired. So yes, we've got to get everything out and organised so that we can start moving things in. We are making progress. Dad's got quite a lot of his art supplies floating around. In February, I'm buying some IKEA furniture, so there'll be 2 tall Alex chests of drawers there, and then another one over there for Mum. And I'm getting another shelf unit that goes on top of this, that's 2 drawers without the hole in it, which will be perfect. And then there's lots of storage on the wall available, or wall space available for storage, should I say. But yes. It's coming along. That is a very expensive LaserJet printer that we currently only use as a scanner. So we're looking at buying a specific scanner for documents because we do that. And then moving that forward to somebody else who can afford the ink for it. Because Mum and I both got ourselves a little HP which does exactly what we need it to do. It even does photos really well. And it's on the HP ink subscription. So you pay for a certain amount of pages per month. And they roll over if you don't use them all. So yeah, we're not looking too bad. Dad wants to consolidate all of his art supplies, so all of this sort of stuff into his art cart. Let me show you some of his paintings. This one's mine. That one's mine. But yes, just some of his paintings, and we've got some more over here. And new TV, hello. This will be where the Christmas tree goes eventually. And we have a very confused puppy. And then there's a kitten who is very excited by the fact that chairs keep moving. He loves the office chairs. I'm probably going to get another cover for this chair so that it matches that one, just because the aesthetics in me will be pleased. That's Dad's easel, which is a transportable easel, and his mixing palette. Now we've just got to wait for all the stuff to be delivered, and apparently it can be any time up until 7 o'clock this evening. Fun times. Chaos is kind of reigning in here though. This is making Dad stop procrastinating and organising all of his paperwork, which I'm not sure he's overly happy about. That's the old iMac that you saw in there. We're going to get Mum and Dad's even older iMac out, and the guy at Curry's gave us a couple of cables to see if we could use the very old iMac with all Dad's photos on it as a USB stick to transport them to that, so that we can then put them on an external hard drive so that both iMacs can then get recycled. That's the plan anyway. Oh, well, we are sort of back to normalcy in here. Dad and I have just been fixing some holes in the top of the windows. There's supposed to be like a slat that goes across in the winter, but it was not there. Now I am just waiting on the deliveries, one of which is between 1:30 and 2:30, and the other one could be up to 8 p.m. this evening. And of course, I'm number 60 on that delivery list, so it will be 8 p.m. That's some man shed out there, by the way. I'll have to show you that.
a little bit later on in Vlogmas, not today. I'm so excited. I've been editing on a 16-inch MacBook Pro for 8 years now, and I've got a 34-inch monitor to play with. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Also, the teeny tiny little webcam has also arrived. Yeah, but the actual computer itself is on the last delivery of the DPD. No, DHL. This is DPD. DHL is, yeah, delivery number 60, and he's on 20 at the moment. It's fine. It's fine. I have patience. Not a lot, but I have some. Are you being... Oh, no, of course, the minute I turn the camera on, you leave. Are you being helpful? Oh, that was a big sigh, Maximus. He's jumping at every noise, and Izzy is watching over everybody with her very long tail. I've managed to get this to turn on. So I have to upload the last couple of days of Vlogmas footage. I've got 2 days worth there. Put it into Vlogmas. There we go, it's having to think about it. So that's all going to start downloading. Fingers crossed that actually works. You can tell it's cold outside because I am surrounded by creatures. And one of them is purring. I'm not sure what I think it's downward facing dog is going on over there. Actually, number 16 wasn't the last delivery of the day, it was halfway through. It's 4:15 and it has arrived. So now I get to set this all up. I'm so excited. I've got stuck because I don't have a Phillips head screwdriver easily to hand, and it's peeing down with rain outside, and I don't want to go on a blind hunt, and Mum and Dad are both out this afternoon. However, Max is in the gaming monitor box, and Kai is unhappy that he cannot also get in the monitor box. This is not what I ordered. It's very cute though. I shall keep you. You want in too? Izzy is again back up and monitoring the situation from up high. It'll be fine. Mum and Dad will be home soon, and then I can go and rescue a Phillips head screwdriver. That's all I need. That's a lot less impressive than the box would imply, but it's still gonna be epic. Very excited. And now I get to open this. Oh, there's a slidey pull button. Yeah, my poor lash tech is not very well, so my appointment got moved to next week. So I'm not looking my best. Oh.
This is exciting.
Technically, it comes with its own carry box.
Is it heavy?
It's not light, but it's not like super heavy. They've done this new thing where there's this like pull tab here to prove that it's been sealed. I can't see what I'm doing.
Not me.
Do you want to say hi to the vlog?
Hello, vlog.
It's a family affair.
Ooh,
Okay.
this is exciting. I'm trying to stand as still as I can.
Thank you. I've even watched videos of how you take this out of its box.
Really?
Yes.
Ah.
Because
Oh.
it's fancy.
Oh my goodness. This is her new computer, would you believe?
My new £2,100 computer. That is £2,100.
It's tiny.
And it comes with nothing.
But that's the new. What do you call it? That will be working with
monitor,
it.
yes.
Monitor, yes.
It looked way more impressive in its box.
The box was huge. Have you shown them the box?
Yes,
Oh,
I've seen
good.
the box earlier.
Good.
The box arrived at 1 o'clock today.
Right. Well, look at this. Oh, ooh. It's got paper. It's got everything. And that's it.
£2,100. It's a little bit different to my last unboxing, but yeah. Thank you.
and I finished setting it up, and Mum very kindly videoed me opening the box, which was very exciting, obviously. I've set my profiles up so far. We set Dad up, we've got to do Mum next, but oh my gosh, it's so quick. It's so quick, it's awesome. So yay, and thank you very much to Mum and Dad for letting me have a bridging loan on the interim so that I don't actually pull all of my hair out before,
we were getting a bit worried about it.
Oh, yes. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed today, and we'll be back tomorrow for more calendars, more puppy, and hopefully more Vlogmasy goodness as well. Bye!
So for today...
Yes, we're done. Bye!